Hi everyone. I have given so many examples stating the area of the rhombus and the area of the square in my previous videos. In today's class, we are going to find out the ratio of the area of the rhombus to the area of the square by using some informations given in the problem. This question I asked during the year of 2017 in SSC CGL exam. This is also one important question from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. Let us see the problem. One of the diagonal of the rhombus is 70% of the other diagonal. See, I have taken ABCD is a rhombus. I have taken the larger diagonal B, longer diagonal B x units. One of the diagonal of the rhombus is 70% of the other diagonal. So, smaller diagonal I have taken as 70 by 100 into x, that is 7x by 10. Okay, what is the other information given? No, he is constructing one square whose side is equal to the side of the larger diagonal of the rhombus. So, what is the length of the longer diagonal? That is x units. I have drawn one square whose side is equal to x units. Okay, now we have to find out the ratio of the area of this rhombus to the area of this square. That is the question. 4 options are also given. So I have taken AC as the longer diagonal, that is x units. Smaller diagonal is 7x by 10. What is the area of the rhombus? Half into d1 into d2. What we have to find out? We have to find out the ratio of the areas, okay, between these two, rhombus and square. So half into, what is d1? X. What is d2? 7x by 10. Okay. What is the area of the square? Is equal to side into side, x into x units. Okay, x into x units. So, ratio of their areas. What is the ratio of their areas? That is 7x square by 20 divided by x square. Okay, after multiplication, 7x into x, 7x square, 2 into 10, 20. Now, what we used to do? 7x square by 20 into x square by 1 will become 1 by x square. So, ratio is 7 is to 20. So, correct option, ratio is equal to 7 is to 20. Correct option, which is the correct option? C is the correct option. 7 is to 20.